Schedule Manager. Schedules is a way that you can set frequencies for certain actions. You can also attach certain checklists, certificates, and set users for each of them. I'm going to walk you through the process of setting a new schedule up. First, click on your settings cog and then click on Schedule Manager. I'm going to create two different types of schedules, one with a non-frequency and one with a frequency. So first click on Create Schedule. Type in your schedule name. This is going to be a pre-use check. And then because the frequency is none, I'm going to select none. From here, I could also select any checklists or certificates that I wanted to attach to this schedule. I can also allocate it just to a certain user. Because this frequency is none, I'm going to ignore the advanced options and then click Create Schedule. So now let's create a schedule with a frequency. So again, click Create Schedule and type in the schedule name. I want this schedule to be for 11 o'clock every day. You then need to select the frequency. If the frequency hasn't already been created, then you will need to go back to Frequency Manager and create this. Once you're done, click Create Schedule. So you now can create a filter for this schedule. This will display itself on the dashboard. Go to the Settings cog and then click Filter Manager. Once I've created this filter, it will display all records that I have this schedule on. Click Add New Filter and then type in your filter name. I'm going to untick Starred Only because I want it to pull through from all folders, and then I need to select my filter type. I'll go to Schedule and then search for my new schedule that I've just created. Click on the tick button and then click Save Changes. So now if I go to my dashboard, I'm going to see the new filter that I've just created. Let's add the new schedule to a record. Find the record that you want first. So within the record now, you can see inspection schedules. So click on Manage Schedules. Scroll down until you find the schedule that you want to add and then click Save Changes. So this has now been attached to the record. Now to perform an inspection on this schedule. What you'll need to do is click on the plus inspection button. At the top, you want to make sure that your schedule is selected and then perform the inspection as normal. Once you click save, you'll be taken back to the record and you can see that the next inspection date hasn't been changed by this check. So now you can perform multiple checks and inspections without changing any frequency dates. If we went back to our dashboard, you can see that I have one count in my 11 AM checks. When I click on this, I'm going to be taken to that record that I have the schedule on. Thanks for watching and see you soon.